how to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Shein and get a refund. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Shein app and from the bottom menu, tap on Me in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on My Orders and then tap on View All to see all your recent purchases. Scroll through and find the product you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the order details. Next, tap on the three-dot icon in the bottom left of the screen. You'll see an option called Cancel Order. Go ahead and tap on that. In my device, my order is not placed, that's why there is no option of cancellation of my order. And then follow up. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Yes to confirm you want to cancel the order. Now, tick the checkbox next to the item you want to cancel and tap on Next Step. You'll now be asked how you want your refund. If you select Shein Wallet, your money will go into your Shein account for future purchases. If you select Payment Account, the money will go back to your credit debit card or bank account. Choose the option you prefer and then tap Submit. And that's it. Your order is now cancelled and your refund will be processed. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick guides like this. See you in the next one.